He wiped the bloodstains from the back seat, carefully, thoroughly. His phone kept ringing, again and again, but he said nothing. He started his auto and drove off.
Why don't you pick up your damn phone? Because of drivers like you, I almost lost my salary.
The auto driver stayed silent, drove on. A few minutes later, the man got a call. Mom collapsed during her walk. An auto driver rushed her to the hospital just in time. The man froze, his voice caught in his throat.
He had just yelled at the one who saved his mother.
In the rush of peak hours, we lose our way. Hearts closed, kindness thrown astray. Yet silent hands still choose to care. Humanity lives, though rare and rare.